Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, open your CoinMarketCap, and from here you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. So from here you can see we are currently in the markets page, and from here you'll have to tap on portfolio like this, and then here you can see currently I am on the second portfolio of mine. So if you want to change your portfolio, you can tap on this icon right here, and then you can simply tap on the existing portfolio, or you can simply tap on the new in order to create new, just like this. Now you can select the option of whether to connect with your wallet or connect with your Binance account. So if you tap on connect a wallet, here you will have to now write down your wallet address and your portfolio name, and from here you can tap on create connection, and like that you'll be able to connect your account to your wallet, and from your wallet you can now simply withdraw your money. So if we go back here, you can also get the option of connect Binance account. If you tap on it, now you'll have to connect to your Binance account, and then from here you can simply tap on continue with Binance, and then you can simply link your Binance account and withdraw your money from Binance. And that is it. This is how you can withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.